In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trade on Ctrader. If you're interested in automatically mirroring the trades of experienced traders through the Ctrader platform, this guide is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through every step so that by the end, you'll know how to set up copy trading, choose the right strategy provider, and manage your copying activity with confidence. Let's begin by opening the Ctrader application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your trading account. If you haven't installed Ctrader yet, you'll need to download it and sign in. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes for most users. Once you're inside the platform, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface if this is your first time. Next, look for the option labeled Copy on that left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed for copy trading, and it's where you'll access all available strategies provided by other traders. Once you're in the copy area, you'll see a list or gallery of strategy providers. These are traders who share their trades so that others can automatically replicate them. Take your time to browse through the different strategy providers. You'll be able to view performance statistics, risk levels, and other important details about each strategy. It's a good idea to check how consistent their results are, their historical track record, and the type of markets they trade. Make sure to choose a provider that matches your risk tolerance and investment goals. Once you've found a strategy provider that interests you, click on their profile to take a closer look at their strategy details. If you're happy with your choice, you'll notice a copy button. Click this to proceed. At this point, Ctrader will prompt you to enter the amount you'd like to invest in copying this strategy. It's important to make sure you're comfortable with the investment size, keeping in mind the risks associated with trading. Enter the amount and double check that everything is correct. After you've set the amount, click on Start Copying. From this moment, your account will automatically replicate the trades made by your chosen strategy provider. You can monitor results in real time through the platform. If at any point you decide you want to stop copying a particular strategy, it's very straightforward. Simply return to the Copy section on the left menu, select the strategy you're currently copying, and choose Stop Copying. This will immediately halt any further trades from being mirrored on your account. And that's all there is to it. Copy trading on Ctrader is an efficient way to participate in the markets by leveraging the expertise of seasoned traders. Remember to always review the performance of any strategy provider and consider the risks involved before investing. Thanks for watching and happy trading.